Okay, so this is we are having donuts at this place called C3. And Ayush, how do you find the donut? Okay, so even I'm hungry, so I'll. Should we try the white color donuts also?
Next time.
Not now.
If you want, yes.
Yes. Ayush, how do you like it? Looks nice, really. This is Cake's coffee cup. Hey people, we are at this place called C3 and this is a donut and that is Ayush. And Ayush, tell us, how do you like the donut?
So good. You have to come here. This is such an underrated restaurant.
Yeah, speak loudly. Yeah, this is a nice place. We've come here and it is just so adorable. So I'll catch up with you all soon enough. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.